Hello everyone, myself Deeksha Sharma. I am from first year CSC branch. My startup company name is BIDTK Ventures. Product present name is Bangle. Product proposed name is Pathfinder Bangle. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. In that, eco-friendly and free-sized bangles, smart bangles, bangle with GPS tracker, bangle which changes its color and designs according to our dresses, mind-reading bangles, sensor-based bangle. So based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Bangle. Futuristic product name is Pathfinder Bangle. So some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. In that, first one GPS tracker and second one sensor based bangles. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. So I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. So thank you.